Welcome to Psyche Forge. Today, we're going to talk about some powerful personality development tips that can help you become the best version of yourself. Whether you're looking to boost your confidence, improve your communication skills, or enhance your overall presence, these tips will help you on your journey to personal growth. So, let's dive in. Tip number 1: embrace self-awareness. Take the time to understand your strengths, weaknesses, and values. Self-awareness is the foundation of personal growth and development. By knowing yourself, you can make better decisions and understand how to leverage your strengths in various situations. Tip number 2: set clear goals. Having a vision for your future and setting achievable goals is crucial for personal development. Whether it's related to your career, relationships, or health, setting specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound, SMART goals will keep you focused and motivated. Tip number 3: cultivate a growth mindset. Embrace challenges, learn from failures, and see obstacles as opportunities for growth. A growth mindset allows you to adapt, learn, and develop new skills, ultimately leading to personal and professional success. Tip number 4: practice effective communication. Communication skills are essential for building strong relationships and advancing in your career. Whether it's public speaking, active listening, or nonverbal communication, honing your communication skills can significantly impact your personal development. Tip number 5: prioritize self-care. Taking care of your physical, mental, and emotional well-being is essential for personal development. Make time for activities that recharge you, such as exercise, meditation, hobbies, and spending time with loved ones. In conclusion, by embracing self-awareness, setting clear goals, cultivating a growth mindset, practicing effective communication, and prioritizing self-care, you can embark on a transformative journey of personal development. Remember, personal growth is a continuous process, so be patient and kind to yourself along the way. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more valuable content.